Huawei has been making efforts to advance digital development across a wide range of industries in Nepal. The Chinese tech giant shared what it is doing during wےkenیکٹ 2022 held in Kathmandu on Tuesday. At the event, President of Huawei Asia Pacific Enterprise Business Group Nicholas Ma outlined 3 ways that Huawei and its eco-partners can support Nepal in the digital economy, namely digital infrastructure, industrial applications, and digital talents. Chairman of Nepal Telecommunication Authority Purushottam Kanal said the Nepali government launched the Digital in Nepal framework to highlight the importance of transforming Nepal into a digital economy.
This wےkenیکٹ program will play a significant role in this regard by introducing future tech trends and solutions before us.
The event drew together over 400 sector leaders, experts, and partners.